You were a passenger in a car crash and your best friend was driving, and now you have all these medical bills and you don't have the money to pay for them. What can you do? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes, a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. Join me as we answer some of the questions on that. Typically in that situation, even though your best friend was driving, if he or she was careless and failed to act like a reasonable person, or they were just plain driving badly or poorly that day, and you suffered harm because of that, then you can make a claim against that person. Your friendship does not prohibit you from doing that, although you may be worried about it damaging your friendship. In most instances, your friend will not be personally involved. Rather, his or her insurance company will be the person that you deal with. That pretty much takes your friend out of the equation, and now you're dealing with an insurance company just as though you were a stranger to the person in whose car you were a passenger. So the insurance company will control the settlement regardless of what your friend wants to do, and you'll be dealing with them directly, and the emotion should not be running high because your friend is not in control of the case any longer. His or her insurance company is in control. Typically, when the harms and losses that you suffer as a passenger are more than the driver's insurance coverage provides, then there may be a question of whether to pursue recovery against that driver's personal assets, money, land, wages, things like that that they may be coming. But in those rare situations, and they don't happen very often, that person will obtain an attorney to represent him or her on a personal basis apart from the attorney hired by the insurance company or the adjuster working for your friend in that matter. That's it for today's video. By the way, if you found this information helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get fresh new content every time we post another great educational video. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. I answer questions like this every day. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.